everyone, how's it going? It's Attorney Tadisha Rowe with American Legal Immigration Center in the DMV of the United States, bringing you another episode of Immigration Dream University. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my channel. Please do pause, take a moment to subscribe, and I would love to have you back again. If you find this information informative, please do give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. That helps to get it disseminated to other people who are also on the YouTube platform who may be looking for relevant information as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. We have grown a lot within the last month, and it is thanks to you. I hope that you will continue to support my community, and of course I will continue to bring you good content. If you're returning and you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why. As I said, I'm going to bring you good information, so please do hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it, and just help us to grow our community here. All right, guys, so for today's topic, we are going to talk about something that came up recently with one of my clients. They are in a very fortunate position that some people, many people actually don't find themselves in, which is that they started off as a child of a lawful permanent resident, and now their parent was able to become a naturalized United States citizen. So this person is still under the age of 21 years old, which means that they are now the immediate relative of a United States citizen. And this puts them in a different category in terms of benefits that they can get from immigration. One of the things is that they will have a visa readily available to them as an immediate relative. Immediate relatives of United States citizens are their spouses, their children under the age of 21 who are also unmarried, and then also their parents if that United States citizen child is over the age of 21. So there's several benefits that come along with this, one of them being that a visa is readily available to them. So as you go through the process of immigration, some of you may already know that depending on whatever category you fall in, you may have to wait years for a visa to become available. So even if you meet all of the criteria in order to become a lawful permanent resident, that visa just may not be available to you depending on whatever category you are you fall in at the time. However, if you're an immediate relative then of a USC, United States citizen, that visa is readily available. And in some cases, you may be able to adjust your status from here in the United States rather than having to exit the country and do the consular processing and then come back in with your green card. So it's a lot more convenient, and then you do have the reassurance that you can have your green card before you leave the United States. So, you know, that's something to take into consideration, whether if you're an immediate relative, that you do have these benefits available to you. Now, something else to keep in mind is, what do you do if you are on the cusp of turning 21 years old and you need to file that application before you turn 21? Are you still going to be eligible for those same benefits once you turn 21? And the answer to that is, fortunately, yes. You will still be eligible for it as long as you do the filing of that application before you turn age 21. So Congress has enacted what's known as the Child Status Protection Act. It's the CSPA, and it's essentially just for that reason, because they recognize at some point that people were aging out. They were turning age 21 and no longer eligible for certain classifications, but it wasn't because of their fault. It was actually due to USCIS's backlog, other things, other factors that come into play. And so they have addressed that to say that you will maintain that child status as long as you file it before you turn age 21. But also keep in mind too that there are two criteria. You cannot be married, okay? So don't think like, okay, I filed it before I turned 21, I'm classified as a child, now I'm 21 years old, I'm still classified as a child. Yes, but if you get married, then you are no longer a child, right? So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, so I hope that this information was helpful to you. As usual, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning in. My battery's running low, so I have to wrap this up quickly. Please like, thumbs up, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.